Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. Yeah, it's raining. Y'all stick around. Well guys, I'm glad y'all stuck around. I'm here in Ithaca, I think that's how you pronounce it. Ithaca, New York. I'm waiting out the rain. I'm here at the, see it up there, the Marriott Fairfield Marriott. Is that how you say that? I'm just waiting out the rain, editing some videos, just taking it easy. It's better than being out cold and miserable in this rain. Yeah, it's a little chilly out here too. So I think all this stems from the hurricane, I think, from the south. Anyway, I'm out here standing in the rain with an umbrella. This is one of them cold and wet and miserable rainy days. I don't feel very productive. That is in spreading the word. So, but I do need the rest, and the bed is good, and I'm comfortable, and I'm dry, and I'm getting some videos edited, which is a good thing. Anyway, I'm here for 2 days. Yesterday and today, and part of the morning tomorrow. And the rain is supposed to be letting up by then, so I'll be taking off again towards Maine. Guys, if y'all are not subscribed to me, click on that subscribe button down below, then hammer the hell out of that bell, and you'll get email notifications that I uploaded a video. And if you'd like to become an insider and a supporter of Lone Star Rider, click on that button right up there and check out my Patreon site. You'll be glad you did. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think. Catch y'all on the road, but not today, it's raining. And it's noisy out here. Email notifications that I've uploaded, So, anyhow. Did I say anyhow a lot? Alright, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Hey, I hear it's raining down in Texas too.